Hello guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beaded bracelet. It's really easy to make and I'll show you step by step, so I'm sure by the end of this tutorial you're gonna be able to make it by yourself. So if you want to support me and see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading idea. And it's a good idea to hit the bell because in this way you will know when I release my next videos, and I will show how to make a ring following this pattern and earrings. So you could also help me by liking, sharing and commenting, and you don't know how much of a support you give me this way. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Down there in description you will find a full list of materials, a link to my store and a link for PayPal donations to develop this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I need for this colorful bracelet are 4 colors of 11/0 seed beads, and here I use 8/0 beads. This is a clasp, a lobster's claw clasp. You could use any type of clasp you want. This is monofilament, that is 0.006 inches to 0.15 millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice, but I prefer to use monofilament because my bracelet won't be soft. And here I use beading needle size 10 and scissors, and I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, now I have about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'm going to take 2 yellow beads, 2 orange, 2 yellows, 2 orange, 2 yellows, 2 orange, 2 yellows, and then again 2 orange beads. Okay, and I have 8 yellows and 8 orange, and I'm alternating them 2 by 2. Okay, and now I'm going to slide all of those down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I want to make a knot. Okay, and I'm making my knot by making a loop, going twice through the loop I've made and pulling. Okay, now I have this, and I want to make one more knot here. Okay, and I'm pulling. Now this is what I have. And now I'm going through these 2 next yellow beads. Okay, after my knot here. And what I want to add is 1 8/0 bead. Okay, this is larger size 8/0, and I'm going back through these 2 yellow 11/0s. Okay, then I'm going in my next 2 orange beads, and what I want to take are 2 more orange, going back in circle through those beads. Okay, then I'm going through the next 2 yellow beads, pulling, taking 1 red bead, going here back in circle. Okay, through the following 2 orange beads, taking 2 orange. So where my orange beads are, I'm taking 2 and going back in circle through my previous one in the inner circle, and where my yellow beads are, and I'm going to take 1 red bead and I'm going back in circle through these yellow beads. Okay, like this. Then in my next step I'm going here in my orange beads, and guess what, adding 2 more orange like this, going back in circle through them. Then I'm going here through the next 2 yellows, taking just 1 red, going back through it. And then here is my last step where I'm going through the orange beads, taking 2 more orange beads, okay, and now this row is ready. Okay, and I want to start my next row, and for my next row I will go here in this orange. As I'm exiting from this one here, I'm going in this direction through this one, and it's easier for me to flip my work. You can stay the way it was before, but I prefer to flip my work. Okay, and here what I need is 1 red bead. Okay, going here through this, between these 2 orange beads. Okay, in my next step I'm taking 1 light green bead, going here, taking just 1 light green bead, then 1 red, one light green, and I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Here before the orange I'm adding a light green, then between the 2 orange beads I'm adding a dark red, then again a light green, and then I repeat everything from the beginning. Okay, and here I will make my last row, and I'm going here through this red one, then I'm taking 3 orange beads, okay, going back in circle through them, then through the orange and the green, exiting out of the red one, taking 3 yellow beads, going back here, okay, then through the red one, here I need orange beads. Where the small red ones are, I'm adding 3 orange beads. And where the 8, the bigger reds are, I'm adding yellow beads. Okay. And if you can, go in one movement through the next bead that you need. Okay. Here, 3 orange beads, going back in circle like this, and through the red one, 3 yellows, okay, through the red, 3 orange beads, and then here at last 3 yellows. Okay, and now what I want to do is find a place where to make a knot and cut my thread. Okay, let's say this place is here. Making a loop, and I'm going once, and I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, making sure I'm between those two beads where I started my knot from. Then I'm going here in my next bead, and I could repeat this knot several more times, and when I'm ready I will take my scissors and cut my thread. And now guys, I'm going to do more and more elements, and then I will show you how to connect them in a bracelet. Okay guys, and when I continued beading, I have 7 elements and I'm going to connect them in a bracelet. You could do more or less elements. It depends on you. And now I'm going to put about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to take my first element, and I want to attach this thread here. Okay, and I will go here through this big red bead, and here what I want to do is make a loop. Okay, like that. I'm holding my tail thread with my thumb. Okay, and now I'm going twice through this loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I'm going through my next beads in this direction. Okay, and I want to exit here. At this orange bead that's sticking out. Okay, this is my goal. Now I will stick my needle in my mat, and I want to cut this tail thread here. Okay, and now guys, here I will attach my clasp. Okay, and in order to do this, I'm taking my clasp, and I will take 2 green beads, then my clasp, slide those down, and I'm going to take 2 more green beads like this, and I'm going back in circle through this orange one. 2 green beads, my clasp, and then again 2 green beads, and I'm going back here like that. Now I'm going to reinforce by going, let's say, 3 times around this loop here of beads, because I want my clasp to stay nice and tight. Okay guys, and now I reinforced my clasp here, and I want to reach here the other part of my work. And in order to do this, I will go here through all of my beads like that. Okay, I will flip my work to be easier for me, and I'm going around here. Okay, and my goal is to exit here out of this orange bead. Okay, and now I want to connect my next element here. Okay, I'm taking 1 green bead, going through this orange one here in this direction. Okay. Exiting out of this orange, I'm adding one green and going through the other orange. Then I'm going to take one more green bead and I'm going back through the first orange that I've been through. Okay. Okay, now you see what I have. I have a circle of beads. Exiting out of this orange, I add green, then go through the orange, add one more green, then again through the same orange. And when I pull, I have this beautiful right angle weave. And what I do is that I go one more time around all of my beads here, like that. And I pull. Okay guys, and now I want to reach here this orange bead, and then I will take my next element and connect them here the same way that I showed you here. If you forgot how I did it, just rewind the video and you will see. Exiting out of this orange, I add one green bead, then go through the next orange and add one more green bead. Okay, and when I assemble my bracelet, I'll be back to tell you how to attach the other part of your clasp, and we will be ready. Okay guys, and I connected all of my 7 elements the same way I showed you before, and now I want to show you how to end your bracelet and attach your jump ring. Okay, so now I'm here, I'm exiting out of this orange bead, and what I want to take is my jump ring, and I will take 5 green beads. Okay, I have my 5 here, and I will take my jump ring. Okay, and I will go back here through this orange bead. Okay, now I have this, and what I need to do is reinforcement. Okay guys, and now I finish my reinforcement, and now I will make a knot and cut my thread. Okay, and in order to make a knot, I will choose a place between 2 beads. Let's say here between this orange and green beads, and I'm going to make here a loop, and I want to go once, and then I want to go second time through the loop I've made, and then I pull, and then I will go through the following seed bead. I could do more and more knots if I want to make it really secure, and when I'm ready, I'm going through the following seed bead after the knot and cut my thread. Never cut next to a knot, okay? And now guys, my bracelet is ready. Okay, and now my beautiful beaded bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Follow me, because in my next video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a ring with the same pattern and also earrings. So if you want to make a colorful set, please follow me and hit the bell. Down there in description you will find the full list of materials, a link to my store, and a link for PayPal donations to develop this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.